The keynote of today's video is to know how to fix can't download Threads. Let's have a look. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram and additionally requires users to both have Instagram and use Threads under the same handle. I'll demonstrate the quickest methods to know how to fix the can't download Threads. What you have to do is simply open your Play Store and type the Threads in the search bar. Threads app will be shown with the option of install. I have already installed the Threads, so, in this case, I will get the open option. But if sometimes you can't download this app from here, simply open Chrome and write Threads in the search bar. Tap the first link if you are an Android user. In the case of the iPhone, scroll down and you will get the link to download Threads in Apple. These were the easiest and quickest ways to download the thread if you are facing a problem in downloading. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.